Hello, today's topic is based on a previous two videos where we showed how you can change the size of your CNC file. So we executed half of our ellipse and then additionally we rotated by 90 degrees to the left. Now in this video we will show you how you can move complete CNC file to the certain position again without any changes to a G code. So what is the typical situation is that you will probably home your CNC machine. After homing you will have 0, 0 position. So you will move absolute to a certain position and then you will execute a CNC file exactly on that position. You need to generate certain offset. How to do it properly is to use the function block which is in between the interpolator and move axis by pos, which is called the gantry TRAFO. Now this has an input from interpolator and outputs to control axis by pos, however it has an offset inputs. Now we will just add this to our watch and then we will execute exactly the same project like in previous video. Now what offset we will use? Let's use like 2020. Let's go to multi-axis control and enable our drives. Now we will not execute homing and then move absolute. We will directly execute set position to 2020 for each axis, just to speed up the process. Let's go to CNC. And again, like in previous video, file, execute, then interpolator, then we set 0.5 size, then it was 90 degrees shift to the left, then smooth B-spline flag was 5, check velocities, and we execute interpolator and then we'll go to path. Let's see what is going on. So as you can see, he started with an offset. Previously it was starting here and we created in previous video somewhere here the ellipse, but now he's creating it on a different location. So this is how you can use an offset without any additional changes and at the same time not to lose your homing position by executing again set position to 0, 0 on actual different mechanical position on your machine. That's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.